Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying for the GMAT. First, take a full-length diagnostic test to understand your baseline. This initial assessment is crucial for identifying your current skill level and pinpointing specific areas where you need to focus your efforts. It helps you see which sections, like quantitative or verbal, require more attention. Next, develop a structured study plan. Dedicate a consistent amount of time each week, perhaps 10 to 15 hours, to ensure steady progress. Divide your study into manageable blocks, focusing on one of the 4 GMAT sections at a time. Remember to schedule regular review periods to reinforce what you have learned. Now, gather your essential study resources. Official GMAT materials are invaluable for authentic practice questions and understanding the test format. Consider supplementing these with a well-regarded online course or a private tutor for targeted support. Practicing with timed sections is also critical for building your test-taking endurance and pacing. Finally, continuously monitor and adjust your progress. Regularly review your practice test scores to see where you are improving and where more work is needed. Be flexible with your study plan, adapting it as your strengths and weaknesses evolve. Focus on truly understanding the underlying concepts, which is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.